In this video, I'm going to show you how to claim your Robux and please donate. First, let's talk about offline donations. If someone donates you to while you are not online, you can claim it by clicking the gifts button and then tapping the mailbox icon. Any offline donations you receive will appear there for you to collect. Now, if you've even donated Robux directly through your stand, you don't actually need to claim them. Those donations automatically go to your Roblox account. However, you might be wondering, I already donated Robux, why I don't see them in my balance right away? That's because Roblox has a pending system. Whenever you receive Robux through Please Donate or order sales, the Roblox are placed on hold for about 5 days before being released into your account. If you want to check how much Robux you currently have pending, just click on your Robux icon, go to My Transactions, and look for the sections called Pending Robux with the little clock icon. That's where you'll see the amount that will be added to your balance once the waiting period is over.